In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start making money passively online by putting in the work in the beginning and then just leaving it out there for the world for years to come, getting paid passively. All right, guys? So this is actually one of my favorite ones. And to show you guys, I have been doing this. I just started this. So I'm going to show you some proof in the back. This is going to be a part one out of 2 videos here. So you guys could actually see what is going on. I'm going to take you step by step. All right, guys? So if you guys are new to this channel, first of all, thank you for coming in. On my channel here, I talk about making money online, different ways to make money online, affiliate marketing. This video, we're going to show you how you can start making money in different ways online. All right, guys? So what am I talking about? First of all, the word passive income, right? It gets thrown around pretty much everywhere and anywhere that you guys go. Passive income, all right? So we could all be clear. Passive income is basically where you put the work in the beginning, and then after that, have money roll in passively, meaning you do not have to do any more work on that project, on that work that you did in the beginning. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we're going to create mini courses. We're going to be creating courses online where you're going to be teaching people what you have in here, right? In your brain, what you're talented about, what you know. Because what you know, there's going to be people out there that are wanting to know your info, okay? Whether you know how to dance, whether you know how to build funnels online, how to make money online, whether anything, right? How to speak Spanish. There's always so many people out there that are wanting to learn different skills, and you have that ability, all right, guys? A lot of people say that they don't have that ability. They don't have skills to teach everybody, but believe me, you do, okay? We're gonna go over some examples here. I'm going to show you some stuff going on, all right? Now, mini courses. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be recording courses, mini courses, okay? Posting them on the internet, and then those courses are going to be on there for the world to see. They're going to purchase your courses, and you're going to get paid passively, all right? So let's go ahead and look down here. Let me take you into, and the place that we're going to be posting them, as if you could already see on the on my page here, is Udemy, okay? Udemy is going to be an online website where people come on here and learn stuff, buy courses, okay? And look at, you can kind of see that you can actually pretty much teach people anything and everything on here, right? What I do is I have an ATM business. I teach people, I have a course how to teach online, okay? I teach you how to start your own online business, all right? Look, there's another guy here that's doing it. He's charging $89, and there's just different courses on here, okay? About anything, entrepreneurship. If you want to teach them how to market, you know, maybe you're good at social media, how to get viral videos, you can actually show them that, all right? Let me go into my instructor here, just so I could kind of show you. I just started this last week. So you kind of see here, I've made $14 already, and I've had 2 students that have enrolled, and I started this a week ago, okay? So, and after that, I don't do anything anymore. I leave it on there. I upload it to different places, right? And basically they sell it for me, all right? That is what we're gonna do today. All right, so now that we know what we're gonna be doing, how we're gonna be doing, now we're gonna see the skills, right? What kind of skills do you have? And this can be pretty much anything, right? Let's say, for example, me. I am a helicopter pilot, right? There's going to be some other people that are wanting to learn how to fly helicopters, whether it's fundamentals, the flight controls, emergencies, weather, anything like that, right? So I'm going to actually type some stuff here, helicopter pilot, right? I can teach people how to become a helicopter pilot, the skills, the knowledge, the stuff that they went through, the courses that I went through, how to get my license. I could teach them and show them what to expect, what they're going to get tested on, stuff like that, right? I am an ATM business owner. I can show people, and that's what I did. I actually made a course on how to start a successful ATM business, right? I already uploaded it last week. I already have 2 students, $14 coming in, right? Online business, affiliate marketing. I can actually show, and these are just a few, okay? Affiliate marketing, how to get leads, right? Conversions. My websites, my funnels I use, right? ClickFunnels. I use ClickFunnels. People want to learn how to do all that stuff. I can make little mini courses on how to do that, okay? Not only that, but let's say, for example, you know how to dance. You can teach people how to dance, right? You can teach people how to cook. if you're good at cooking, if you're good at, you know, anything, right? So it's basically just you kind of just sitting down, brainstorming what you're good at, what you've been doing, right? Maybe you have a job right now and you're into accounting. Maybe you're into sports, right? How to kick a soccer ball, how to shoot a basketball, whatever the case is, kind of thing. There's just so much stuff, endless. There's so many endless things that you can actually start teaching. You create these actual mini courses, post them online, and now they're actually out there for the world. So Udemy is going to be one. The other one's going to be Skillshare. Skillshare.com. Oops, I spelled that wrong. There it is. Skillshare.com. Now on this one, like I said, I just uploaded mine. I haven't even actually looked into it. Let me see what's going on in mine here. So I haven't earned anything here just yet, but I do have 4 students and 192 minutes, right? So it's just time until I start seeing passive income come in, right? I put the work in the beginning, and the awesome part about this is I made one course. I made one mini course, and I could upload these to different online courses here, online educational websites, right? Skillshare is a place that you go and learn stuff. Udemy, right? I'm sure there's other ones, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start looking for other ones. You put the work in the beginning, you upload them, and then you begin to start seeing money come in. Now you're probably thinking, maybe I don't feel like I should, like I'm an expert. Maybe I don't feel like I should be teaching somebody yet, right? Because I don't know all the ins and outs about this, what I'm doing, right? The ATM business, right? I'm sure that there's a lot more people out there that know a lot more about the ATM business world than I do, right? But you have to actually get that out of your head, get that out of your mind. It's all in your mindset. The goal is not to be the very, very best, but basically just to be a step higher than who you're teaching, right? Because those people that you're teaching, they don't know what you know. That is how it is, okay? Russell Brunson from ClickFunnels, right? Who created ClickFunnels? The author of ExpertSecrets.com, right? Traffic Secrets. If you are one step higher than who you're teaching, that is all you really need, right? Once again, I don't know everything about the ATM business. I don't know everything about the affiliate marketing world, but I could certainly teach others on what I know, how they can get to, for example, like my level, right? And then we could actually continue to grow, how other people are going to be teaching me and they don't know everything, kind of thing, right? That is what you want to do. So the hardest thing for anything on this is for you to start. So what are the actual requirements, how the ins and outs and all this, right? So for Udemy and Skillshare, the basic requirements that you need to have is your courses need to be at least 30 minutes long, and you have to have a series of at least 3 videos, okay? The basic one is going to be the intro, right? Intro, you're going to talk about what it is, what this course is about, how, introduce yourself, whatever. The middle one is going to be the story, okay? The actual course that you're talking about, that you're building. And then the last one's the conclusion, right? You're gonna actually put everything together, overview, and kind of basically say goodbye, kind of thing. The minimum is 3. Okay, now normally on these Udemy courses, Skillshares, these courses videos, they probably go between 2 to 5 minutes are the best ones, right? So you can basically make 30 videos of 2-minute long videos, okay? Or 10 videos, however long you need to create these videos. The way you guys get paid is Udemy, they have a set price, okay? For example, my course right now, how to create a successful ATM business, is for like $30. And of course, you don't get the whole thing. Udemy takes their own shares depending on where they advertise it. If I advertise it, if they do, whatever the case is, you get basically a percentage of that. Skillshare, students come and they pay monthly, and they could actually look at different courses on there, and you get paid a royalty. For example, like a CPM, like on YouTube, right? If you get paid, you probably get paid maybe $5 every 1,000 views people look on your YouTube. Same thing with here, but Skillshare is a lot more higher. For example, it's like $100 for every 1,000 views that people see, right? This is a very awesome way to make money without spending any money, okay? We are creating money passively without spending it. We're just using our Skillshare, and also getting up and actually doing stuff. A lot of people, this is actually the hardest part for a lot of people, is actually getting up and starting something. If you're willing to get up, start something, you're gonna get paid on that, okay? Now, If you actually are dedicated, if you are full-time on this, right? Meaning you create one course every single week for a whole year. I hate saying the word for sure, guarantee, whatever, but you can guarantee that like you will be making thousands passively by putting in that work before the year before, whatever. You will be getting paid passively for years to come from all these courses that you know. And believe me, we know a lot more than what we think. I can teach people how to create, I can make a course on how to create leads, right? How do I get leads to my TikTok accounts? How to get leads to traffic to my YouTube account? I can create a course on what affiliate marketing is, how to work. I can create another one on ClickFunnels. How do you actually set up your sales funnel? There's just so much stuff that you can actually do. You just have to sit down and brainstorm exactly what you guys need. All right, guys? In part 2, I'm going to take you behind the scenes and show you step by step how to set it up, how to look for stuff. Maybe a course that you're going to create doesn't have a lot of traction. Maybe it's high as far as a lot of people are looking for it. Maybe it's not. Stick with me on part 2 over here, and then I'm going to show you step by step how to create all this.